Hello, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors. Welcome to my video open house. Today we're seeing a garden home located in Tamarron. Tamarron's located east of Bloomington off of 10th Street, adjacent to the University Elementary School. Now this is a ranch condo with a walkout lower level that's unfinished. Let's take a look. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo has a beautiful green space view. It has a split bedroom plan, wonderful great room with deck access, and it flows really well for entertaining into the kitchen. This 2005 garden home has an open kitchen with solid surface countertops. There's a beautiful eating area here, and it has stainless appliances. All the bedrooms are separated throughout the house and are very distinctive. This bedroom has access to the hall bathroom. The master bedroom suite has access, of course, to the luxury master bath, double vanity, 2 closet systems. Also, they have access to the deck area. The deck area has a beautiful view of the green space in Tamarron. This walkout lower level is unfinished, so there's great living potential. There's also a stub-in for a future bathroom, but it's great storage area. The current owners said they couldn't emphasize the storage of this home enough. The neutrally decorated condo is in wonderful condition. It's just like new. It's located just 3 minutes east of the Indiana University campus. So feel free to call me at 812-360-5333 for a personal tour. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors. Have a great day.